Something unusual is happening in the Pi network ecosystem. The air is thick with anticipation and curiosity as users notice something new and unexpected. Recently, the Pi core team introduced new tokens on the testnet, assets labeled as Bitcoin and a mysterious token called Doris. This move has left many scratching their heads, wondering what these tokens signify and why they were chosen. This has sparked intense curiosity among the Pi community, now tens of millions strong. The introduction of these tokens has led to a flurry of discussions, theories, and speculations across social media platforms and community forums. The appearance of these tokens isn't just a technical update, it's a clear signal. It suggests that the Pi network is gearing up for something much bigger, something that could potentially redefine its role in the digital currency landscape. It hints that the core team is testing features far beyond simple Pi transactions. Why these tokens? What's being tested? Could it be interoperability with other cryptocurrencies, or perhaps a new form of decentralized finance? And what does this reveal about Pi's future as it approaches open mainnet? The introduction of these tokens could be a precursor to a more robust and versatile network capable of handling a variety of digital assets and applications. In blockchain, every test is intentional, a clue to the bigger picture. Each new feature, each new token, is a piece of a larger puzzle that the core team is meticulously putting together. By analyzing these hints, we can start to see the ambitious direction Pi is heading. The network is evolving, and these tokens are just the beginning of what could be a series of groundbreaking developments. For pioneers, these developments are proof that progress is happening behind the scenes. The core team is hard at work, pushing the boundaries of what the Pi network can achieve. The testnet activity shows Pi is evolving into something more complex and interconnected. It's not just about mining Pi anymore, it's about creating a multifaceted digital ecosystem. This isn't just about mining anymore. The focus is shifting towards building a comprehensive digital ecosystem that can support a wide range of applications and services. It's about building a comprehensive digital ecosystem, and these new tokens are our first real glimpse into that future. They represent the potential for a more integrated and versatile network. The next chapter for Pi could be far more ambitious than anyone expected as we move closer to the open mainnet. The possibilities seem endless, and the introduction of these mystery tokens is just the beginning. To understand the significance of these new tokens, we need to know where they appeared. The Pi network testnet. The testnet is essentially a replica of the mainnet, but it operates in a controlled environment. This allows developers to test and troubleshoot without the fear of causing any real-world issues. Think of the testnet as a digital sandbox, a safe space for developers to experiment without risking real assets. It's a playground where new ideas can be tested, refined, and perfected before they are introduced to the broader network. Here, the core team can test new features, smart contracts, and digital assets before they go live. This is crucial because it ensures that any bugs or vulnerabilities are identified and fixed in a controlled setting. It's a crucial step for security and innovation. By rigorously testing in the testnet, the team can ensure that the mainnet remains secure and reliable. The testnet lets both developers and users simulate real transactions and applications. This means they can see how new features will perform under real-world conditions without any financial risk. When assets like Bitcoin and Doris show up here, it's not by accident. These assets are introduced to the testnet to test their compatibility and functionality within the Pi network ecosystem. It means the team is actively testing support for non-native tokens. This is an important step in ensuring that the Pi network can interact seamlessly with other cryptocurrencies and digital assets. This signals that Pi is preparing to interact with the broader crypto world. By testing these integrations in the testnet, the team can ensure that everything works smoothly when it's time to go live. The testnet is where Pi's future features are born and refined. It's a space for innovation, where new ideas are brought to life and tested rigorously. It's the proving ground for what's coming to mainnet. Every feature, every update, and every new asset is put through its paces here to ensure that when it reaches the mainnet, it's ready for prime time. So, what exactly is a token in blockchain? A token is a digital asset built on top of a blockchain. Unlike coins like Bitcoin or Pi, which have their own blockchains, tokens can represent anything: currencies, shares, digital art, or access to services. A blockchain that supports multiple tokens is like an international marketplace, not just a single currency country. This ability, called interoperability, is key for growth and adoption. Seeing tokens like Bitcoin and Doris on Pi's testnet means Pi is aiming to be a multi-asset platform. Imagine your Pi app as a hub for all your digital assets and activities. Supporting tokens transforms Pi from a simple tool into a powerful digital ecosystem. The appearance of Bitcoin on the Pi testnet is a bold statement. Bitcoin is the world's most recognized cryptocurrency. By testing Bitcoin, Pi signals its intent to connect with the largest crypto market. This could mean Pi is developing wrapped Bitcoin or building a decentralized exchange. A Pi-Bitcoin trading pair would instantly link Pi's value to the broader market. Testing Bitcoin is about ensuring smooth, secure integration. It's a move toward accessibility and legitimacy for Pi. For pioneers, this could mean trading Pi for Bitcoin directly in the app. It's a step toward real-world value for Pi. While Bitcoin's appearance is significant, the Doris token is even more mysterious. Doris isn't a known cryptocurrency, sparking speculation across the community. It could be a placeholder for a new utility token or a codename for a future partnership. Doris might power transaction fees, governance, or rewards within the Pi ecosystem, or it could represent a collaboration with a major brand tested under wraps. Whatever its purpose, Doris hints at something unique and proprietary being built for Pi. The mystery of Doris suggests Pi is not just connecting to the outside world, but also creating its own innovations. Every test is a hint, every hint a direction. Bitcoin and Doris on the testnet point to a dual strategy, integrating with the wider crypto world and building a unique Pi ecosystem. The Bitcoin test hints at interoperability, trading, holding, and bridging assets. Doris points to platform development, unique apps, marketplaces, and new utilities. Pi's vision is to be both a gateway to global crypto and a destination for exclusive applications. This two-pronged approach could make Pi one of the most versatile platforms in crypto. The strategy isn't about choosing one path, but pursuing both. If successful, Pi could become a financial hub and a thriving digital community. The future is ambitious and within reach. Let's take a moment to imagine what these intriguing hints could mean for Pi's future, and how they might transform the way we interact with digital money and technology. The possibilities are both exciting and ambitious, painting a picture of a platform that could redefine our digital lives. First, imagine a multi-currency wallet built right into the Pi app. Not only could you store your Pi coins, but you'd also be able to manage Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a variety of other cryptocurrencies, all in one secure, easy-to-use place. This would make it incredibly convenient to keep track of your digital assets, eliminating the need for multiple apps or complicated transfers. Next, picture a decentralized exchange or DEX, seamlessly integrated into the Pi ecosystem. This would allow users to trade Pi for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other digital assets directly, without relying on third-party exchanges. It's a step toward true financial freedom, where you control your assets and your trades, all within the Pi app. Over time, this DEX could expand to support a wide range of tokens, including new ones like Doris. Imagine a vibrant, bustling marketplace where you can discover, buy, and sell a variety of digital assets, all powered by Pi's technology. But it doesn't stop there. Envision a dApp marketplace, where developers from around the world build innovative games, social platforms, and useful services on top of Pi. This would open up endless possibilities for users, letting you explore new apps and experiences, all connected by the Pi network. In this ecosystem, tokens like Doris could play a key role, perhaps being used to pay transaction fees, unlock special features, or reward users for their participation and engagement across different apps. All these features would work together to create a seamless, unified user experience. Imagine moving effortlessly between banking, trading, shopping, and entertainment, all within a single app. Your Pi app could become much more than just a wallet. It could be your digital bank, your go-to marketplace, and your favorite entertainment hub, all rolled into one powerful platform. This is the kind of integrated digital ecosystem that the recent testnet hints are pointing toward, a future where everything you need is connected, secure, and easy to access. Pi is on a journey, evolving from a simple mining app into a central hub for your entire digital life. The future looks bright and the possibilities are truly limitless. For pioneers, these developments are the clearest signs yet that your patience could pay off. Soon, your mined Pi might be tradable for Bitcoin, giving it real-world value. But it's more than just trading. Your Pi app could become a powerful tool for daily life. Use Pi to buy goods, invest in new apps, or earn more by participating in the network. Your role shifts from passive miner to active participant in a digital economy. With millions of users, Pi's community is its greatest asset. You're not just a user. You're helping build the network's value. The future being tested is one where your digital assets have real utility and opportunity. The clues are out. Bitcoin and Doris on the testnet are invitations to imagine Pi's future. We've explored the possibilities, multi-currency wallets, exchanges, and a thriving app marketplace, but the community will shape what Pi becomes. What do you want to see built? What services would make Pi most useful to you? As a pioneer, you're a founding citizen of this digital nation. The next chapter of Pi is unwritten. How will you help shape it?